Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, the day for S1 event. It's gonna be really fun. So S1's doing a barbecue, but it's inside of a, I guess they're calling it that because they've done it a couple times. It's gonna be at a civic center or event center in Largo, Florida. So that's gonna be pretty fun. I was gonna bring the drag car. It's just I didn't have a trailer. My dad's going to an event and using it. I've been using his trailer, and the car's not where I wanted to be anyway for this event. Would have been good. So anyway, but we're still gonna have a good time. The booth is gonna be set up there. Hopefully we get some new customers. That'd be really nice, and you know, interact with other people. But I'm on my way to meet up with my brother. He is bringing his 240, so he's at the show too, and that's where we're going right now. Ooh, looks good.
What year is it? A 94, 95.
Oh, is it?
Skyline R33.
I love R33s.
Yeah. This is a GTST though. It's not a GTR. I know.
You can still tons of power into it.
Oh,
yeah.
Funny, bro.
Yeah.
I enjoy it. I love it.
How are you?
Beautiful, man. I love it.
Thank you, brother.
GTR or GT. Sorry, GTS. Still look good. S1. Got a couple cars here. Civics, NSX. Looks good.
Yeah, now the wheel's working. He's ready to go. Yeah, we're doing that.
Oh, that thing's nice. Car show's gonna start at 11.
Welcome to the S1 Built Block Party. I want to welcome all y'all with your hot rides to the event. Today we got some special guests all the way from California. We got Young Static in the house. Streets to Track in Colorado. We're making some shout outs to all the vendors out here. OG Hobbies, CL Custom, Rosario Racing, BFR, 10 Socket.
All-wheel drive CRX. Wow.
Food vendors out here, shout out to King, Jam, Dish, Sweet Island Snow.
Yeah, but I mean, you're driving to a meet or something like hit you? I was literally like, I mean, I haven't really given my final and I was on the phone.
Ooh, supercharged S2000. Clean. This music's gonna monetize me. Sorry. Beautiful black Supra. Rosario Racing. Another Supra. S2000. I really love S2000s. Oh, this is clean. This hatch is clean. Over here. Hey, yo. This is clean. This is clean.
Check it out, if y'all hungry, we got plenty of vendors out there. Check out Empanada King, Jam Dish, Sweet Island Snow, Fusion Q's Barbecue.
All right, gotta get back to the.
Rolling Mama, and the Shawarma King. And listen,
Look at this lowrider.
check out Rosario Racer for the cookies. Other vendors, we got OG Hobby, CL Custom, Rosario Racing, BFR, 10 Socket, Strange Cloud, One Life, Jack Quack, Word, and RV Power. We also have special guests today.
Couple drag
Young Static
Civics.
from San Jose, Cali, and Street to Track.
NSX Supra. Clean.
No stopping, Big Papa, I'm a bad boy. Wanna front, who got your back, Big? Wanna flex, who got the Biggie? It ain't hard to tell, I'm the East Coast overdoser. You're scared you're supposed to. I toast you, put fear in your heart. Duck the party before it even start. Is he drunk? Over Henny and Skip? On some brand Nubian? It's speeding down Palm.
Wow, look at that.
Check 2. If you're looking for lemonade, we got Mackenzie's Lemonade Stand. To my left, over by the S1 Bill.
2J.
Check it out. Mackenzie's Lemonade Stand, only $1.
A lot of turbo Hondas. A lot. Seems like it's a lot easier just to. Love B Series though. It's a clean setup. S2000, S2000. Clean, clean. Beautiful day, great cars, a lot of car shows, we're doing great. Thanks for everybody who came by the booth. Having a great time. Some drag cars coming out soon though. Coming out very soon.
We're giving all sorts of stuff away. I already bought 100 tickets. I might win, I might not, I don't know, but still. But anyways, get your raffle tickets $1. Dust to the DJ booth. Serious talk, very important. Come on,
Clean, clean. Uh-oh. A Starlet. Kind of cool. I think this is Emilio's car. Emilio right there. Another shot. Whoa! Turbocharged Starlet. Kind of cool. Little old school HKS blow-off valve. Turbo.
And again, make sure you all got your raffle tickets. You don't want to miss out on the giveaways. We got a lot of great giveaways. A lot.
A Honda.
There they are.
Oh, I found them. Or you found them. What's this called?
What a cool idea.
I know. I've seen them before. I just never bought one. Yeah, just never bought one.
Oh, the name is gone.
What do you mean?
The one he had a car.
They're on it.
No, this one says Supreme.
Yeah, it's right here. Supreme, Takata, Bride, Sparko.
No, the one that we had.
And that's a wrap, guys. S1 barbecue. Thanks, guys, for having us. There's my brother on the way home. OG Hobbies out.